Hi friends, we are going to check the charging problem for a Lenovo K6 Note, where the charger shows that it's charged, but actually the charge doesn't get into the phone. Just it shows charging and then goes off, as you can see on the video. So now what will do is we will check out what is the exact cause. So from the preliminary examination shows that there is a problem with the charging slot. So we are removing the SIM tray, which contains the SIM card as well as the memory card. So after removing the SIM tray, we have to remove the back protective cover of the phone, which is actually press fitted to the phone. So we will use a nail or a sharp object like a nail, for example a credit card or debit card, which has been sharpened on one side, which you can put it into the in between the panel and you can take it out. Okay, as you can see, you can just use your nail also to take it from one side and go through the entire edge of the phone, and it will come out, the cover will come out. So once the cover comes out, you will have to take care of the ribbon cables that connects for the display as well as for the battery. So the once we are dismantled the phone, we have to remove the protective cover for the charging slot. That is, as you can see, we are removing it. So once we remove that, we will take out that protective cover, and which also contains the antenna. Okay, so that's also press fitted. You can just use your nail or any other plastic objects having a very good sharpened edge. Now once after we remove that, we will remove the ribbon cable very slowly. It's actually also press fitted. Okay, now we have removed everything. Now we can see the charging slot, which is a USB slot, micro USB slot, where you will have the connections that connects the USB terminals to the board. Now we are using the soldering iron to revamp or resolder the points. Okay, as you can see, this when you use the soldering iron, the connections are getting firmly fixed to the board. So once we complete the soldering, we'll put everything back again. We are going to fix the ribbon cable first. Before that, we will just clean up that soldered area so that there is no short circuit between the terminals. Okay, and we are fixing the ribbon cable. Just press it to the slot, it will automatically get aligned to the slot. Okay, it should be done very carefully. The ribbon cables, once broken, it will be very costing very high. So now we are covering up everything back into place. As we are dismantled, we are getting it back to place. We are putting up the screws, protecting the protective cover and antenna, and then after once it is completed, we will be fixing the back cover. Okay, so now the back this cover is being fixed. Always put it on the power and volume button side first, so that that's not disturbed during the fixing. Now we are turned on the mobile, and we are again trying to charge it. So here we can see that the charging is happening, and nothing happens when you tilt or when you move your hand. The charging continues as it should be. So the problem is fixed. It's a very minor tip. There could be other reasons also, but it's only a preliminary tip. Usually this could be a cause. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.